It all started in 1964 when I was having back trouble for a number of years and with no help. And Dr. Frank Mayfield, who was president of the American Medical Association and developed all the instruments for brain surgery, recommended after thorough examinations and a myelogram that I try prolotherapy, which I'd never heard of. And so he gave me a list of the people. On that list was Dr. Hemwald, and I found out that he was the one that taught all the rest of the doctors, and I said, that's the one for me. So we immediately made an appointment with Dr. Hemwald to see him. And the minute we did, we were impressed. He is also a Christian, and that impressed us also, and prayed for us. And at the same time, he started giving the injections. And through that time, and the day I arrived for my first injections, I flew here in a plane because I couldn't sit in a car. I was almost bedridden when he did this. Since then, I've had numerous injections over the years, and with great results. And it's been a wonderful, wonderful change in my life. As a matter of fact, just recently, at age 86, I fished for 5 hours, wading a trout stream, and climbed up 64 flights of steps with no pain. So it's been highly successful, and I realize it may not be for everyone, but it certainly was for me. And my injuries probably started when I was weightlifting and ruined all those ligaments. But it's just changed my whole life. And today I am now with Dr. Hauser, who studied under Dr. Hemwald, and he has followed through with the same success rate. And so that I feel that for anyone who has a back problem, surgery probably isn't a very good answer. As a matter of fact, Dr. Frank Mayfield told me that he only had 50% success rate on surgeries. And he said that's not good enough, and that's why he recommended prolotherapy. And I'm sitting here right this minute with no pain, and I can tell you without hesitation that now the prolotherapy isn't a one-time treatment, but neither is any other doctor's a one-time treatment. So you may have to come back on a number of occasions. In my case, my neck was totally healed after 3 series of injections, which the pain had kept me awake for weeks, couldn't sleep. I was recommended to have surgery on my shoulder for the rotator cuff. I canceled it. I had a series of about 4 injections on my shoulder, and that's been many years ago, and I've had no problems. So I'm sold on prolotherapy, and you will be too. Be patient and pay attention to what the doctor tells you afterwards. But this is and unfortunately, many doctors do not know about this. I cannot understand it unless you look at the surgery bills, and maybe that's the answer. But believe you me, try prolotherapy. It could change your whole life as it's changed mine. And it's wonderful. I can do almost anything with very few restrictions. And I am now 86 years old, and people tell me I look better today than I did 20 years ago. And I've been married to a great gal for 59 years. So there I am. Lyman Wine, born in April 1st, 1923. And I've watched my weight, and I've kept everything, and I eat properly, and I take vitamin supplements. And I'm telling you, try it. In 90% of the cases, you'll praise the Lord that you did.